to translate documents in Gemini AI to any language. 2025 Guide. Step 1. Open Gemini AI. Go to gemini.google.com and log in using your Google account. And click New Chat to create a clean workspace for your translation. Step 2. Upload your document. Click the paperclip or upload icon inside the message box. You can upload PDF, Word documents, text files, or even images with text. Select the file you want to translate. Step 3. Tell Gemini what language you need. After the document uploads, type a clear instruction, such as translate to Spanish but keep the formatting. Gemini will read your document and generate an accurate translation. Step 4. Review and copy your translated text. Gemini will show the translated result. You can then copy the text, download the output, ask Gemini to format it as paragraphs, bullet points, or a new document, or even request a simplified or more formal version.